Welcome back to iRaise online classes. See the next question in indices and surds. If x is equal to square root of 3 plus 2 root 2 by 3 minus 2 root 2, then what is x power 8 plus 1 by x power 8? Here first I want to find what is square root of 3 plus 2 root 2 by 3 minus 2 root 2. Here root of a plus 2 root b such that a is x plus y, b is x into y, then this is root x plus root y. Similarly, root of 3 plus 2 root 2, this can be written as 2 plus 1, this can be written as 2 into 1, so answer is root 2 plus root 1, root 1 is nothing but 1. Okay, so therefore this can be written as numerator is root 2 plus 1, this is the square root of numerator. Similarly, just minus is there, root 2 minus 1, this is the denominator. Okay, so this value, root of this value is equal to root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1. Then what is x? Root of this value, nothing but root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1. I want to multiply it and divide it by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1. What happens? This is equal to root of, numerator is root 2 plus 1 whole square, denominator is a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, which is equal to 2 minus 1. So therefore x value is equal to, square root gets cancelled, root 2 plus 1, this is the value of x. Then what is 1 by x? 1 by root 2 plus 1. Here how to write this one? Directly I want to write root 2 minus 1 by 1. Rationalizing factor of this is this one, product of these two is this one. Therefore what is x plus 1 by x? If you add these two, we get 2 root 2. X plus 1 by x is equal to 2 root 2. Here I want to use the identities. Consider this as p. If x plus 1 by x is p, then x square plus 1 by x square is equal to p square minus 2. What is p square? Square of this 4 2 is 8, 8 minus 2 6. Again consider this as p. Again consider this as p. Then x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is equal to p square minus 2. Consider this as x plus 1 by x is equal to p, x square plus 1 by x square is again p square minus 2 formula, this formula. 36 minus 2, 34. Again consider this as x, this as 1 by x. Then what is x power 8 plus 1 by x power 8? Again 34 whole square minus 2. 34 whole square minus 2, 4 square 16, units plus c6 minus 2 4. So this is the answer. Or otherwise 1156 is minus 2. 34 whole square is 11 minus 56 minus 2, 1154. This is about the question. Identities also there here. If x plus 1 by x is p, x square plus 1 by x square is p square minus 2. Again apply the same formula for this, we get 34. Again apply the same formula for this, we get the answer as 1154. Okay, next question. The square root of 3 plus root 5 is, what is the square root of 3 plus root 5? It is not in the form of a plus 2 root b. So I want to write this as root of 6 plus 2 root 5 by 2. Okay, 6 plus 2 root 5 by 2. And this can be written as 5 into 1. This can be written as 5 plus 1. Therefore, what is the square root of numerator? This is root 5 plus root 1, nothing but 1, by root of 2, root 2. This is the answer. Check the options please. Root 5 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. Root 5 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. Answer is this one. Okay, root 5 by root 2, root of 5 by 2 plus 1 by root 2. Finding square root. Okay, if any value in the form of this, where a is x plus y, this is product of same terms, then the answer is root x plus root y. Number of times I have told, finding square root, finding square root. Okay, next question. If x is equal to root 5 minus root 3 by root 5 plus root 3, then what is x cube plus y cube? Here x is root 5 minus root 3 by root 5 plus root 3. Y is reciprocal of x, so y is equal to 1 by x, which is equal to root 5 plus 3 root 3 by root 5 minus root 3. Then what is x plus y? Nothing but x plus 1 by x. Root 5 minus root 3 by root 5 plus root 3 plus root 5 plus root 3 by root 5 minus root 3. Then what we get here? This is equal to, the denominator is a square minus b square. Numerator is a plus b whole square, root 5 minus root 3 whole square plus root 5 plus root 3 whole square, which is equal to a minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square is 2 times a square plus b square, 5 plus 3 by denominator is 2, the value is 8. So they want here y is nothing but 1 by x, x plus 1 by x is equal to 18 directly. Consider this as p. They want x cube plus 1 by x cube. They want x cube plus 1 by x cube. If x plus 1 by x is p, x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to p cube minus 3p. 8 cube minus 3 into 8 is the answer. Here unit places are different. 8 cube. Okay, what is 8 cube? 512 minus 24. 12 minus 4. 8. Units place must be 8. Answer is 488. Okay. If x plus 1 by x is p, x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to p cube minus 3p. What is the square root of 7 plus 2 root to 10? We have to find this. This is a direct question. This is in the form of a plus 2 root to b, a plus 2 root to b, where a is 5 plus 2, b is 5 into 2. So answer is root 5 plus root 2 is the answer for this question. Actually some questions in examination also very easy. In between, if sometimes we get first tough questions, after that easy questions also. Okay, so this is a very simple and direct question based on square root. Okay, next question. If x is root 3 minus root 2, then what is x cube minus 1 by x cube? Here x is equal to root 3 minus root 2. 1 by x is nothing but 1 by root 3 minus root 2. Rationalize this. We get direct, I want to write root 3 plus root 2 by a square minus b square is 1. Otherwise you can use multiplied and divided by root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2. We get the same. Then what is x minus 1 by x? I want to find first this one. X root 3 minus root 2 minus of root 3 plus root 2. Then what we get here? Root 3 cancel, we get minus 2 root 2. This is p. Consider this as p. X minus 1 by x is equal to p. Then what they want? X cube minus 1 by x cube. This is the question. If x minus 1 by x is p, x cube minus 1 by x cube formula, p cube plus 3p. Just remember all the formulae I have given in algebraic identities. X cube minus 1 by x cube is equal to p cube plus 3p if x minus 1 by x is p. So what is p cube? P cube is minus 2 root 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 2 root 2. This is minus, what we get here? 2 cube is 8, root 2 whole cube is 2 root 2. 8 to 16 root 2 minus 6 root 2. So answer is 22 root 2 minus. Answer is minus 22 root 2. Generally this type of questions are given. Options are, see the options, 22 root 2 is there, minus plus 22 root 2 is also there. So you have to take care about the signs, very important. Okay, next question. It's a very simple question based on the rationalization. 1 by root 9 minus root 8. How to write this one, rationalization? Just multiplied and divided by this one, root 9 plus root 8 by 9 minus 8, which is equal to 1. Okay, 1 by root a minus root b. I have given a formula for this also. This is nothing but root a plus root b by the square a, second term square b. Okay, I want to use this formula directly for this. Okay, see how to write directly. The first term can be written as, after rationalization, root 9 plus root 8 by 1. Second term can be written as root 8 plus root 7 by 1. 1 means 8 minus 7 is 1. Third term can be written as root 7 plus root 6 by 1. Fourth is root 6 plus root 5 by 1. Plus fifth term can be written as root 5 plus root 4 by 1. This is plus root 8, minus of root 8 cancel. Minus into root 7 plus root 7 cancel. Plus root 6 minus root 6 cancel. Minus of root 5 plus root 5 cancel. Root 9 is 3, 3 by 1 is 3. All these terms cancel, plus root 4 is 2, by 1 is 2. So answer for this question is simply 5. Okay, answer is 5 for this question. Next question. If x is 3 plus 2 root 2, then what about the value of this? Here x is given as 3 plus 2 root 2. What is 1 by x? 1 by 3 plus 2 root 2. Here in all these questions, it is based on rationalization. How to write rationalize? Every time not necessary to multiplied and divided by 3 minus 2 root 2, 3 minus 2 root 2, like that. You can write directly. What is rationalization? After rationalization, this can be written as 3 minus 2 root 2 by this first term square minus second term square. First term square 9 minus second term square is 8. So this is equal to 3 minus 2 root 2. So therefore, what is x plus 1 by x? If you add these two, this one and this one, what we get? 2 root 2, 2 root 2 cancel, we get 6 1. So x plus 1 by x is 6. Then what is the question? See the question carefully. X power 6 by x cube is x cube. X power 5 by x cube is x square. X power 4 by x cube is x. Plus x cube by x cube is 1. X square by x cube is 1 by x. X by x cube is 1 by x square. 1 by x cube. This is the question. So this can be written as x cube plus 1 by x cube in one bracket. X square plus 1 by x square in one bracket, x plus 1 by x in one bracket plus 1. So we have to find this one. If x plus 1 by x is p, consider this as p. If x plus 1 by x is p, x square plus 1 by x square is p square minus 2, p square minus 2. 36 minus 2, which is equal to 34. I want to substitute 34 here. Similarly, x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to how much? If x plus 1 by x is p, x cube plus 1 by x cube is nothing but p cube minus 3p. Okay, p cube, 6 cube 216 minus 3p, 3 into 6, 18, which is equal to 198. So this value is 198. X square plus 1 by x square value is 34. X plus 1 by x value is 6 plus 1. Okay. So if you add these two, we get 199 plus this is 40. Okay. So answer is 239. The answer for this question is 239. Okay. So just convert the question like this. Find x plus 1 by x, x square plus 1 by x square, x cube plus 1 by x cube, and substitute the values. Next question. Here 2 power x plus 1 plus 2 power x plus 3 is 2560. Then what is x? 2 power x plus 1 can be written as 2 power x into 2 power 1. Second term 2 power x into 2 cube is equal to 2560. This is the given question. In this take 2 power x common. We get 2 power 1 is 2 plus 2 cube is 8 is equal to 2560. Then what we get? This is 10. 10's cancel. 2 power x is equal to 256 can be written as 2 power 8. Already I have told you have to know the powers of 2 up to 10. 2 power 8 is equal to 256, 2 power 9 512, 2 power 10 1024. So therefore from this we can say that x is equal to 8. Okay, this is the answer. Next. Here this is a rationalization of this one. What is the rationalizing factor of cube root of a plus cube root of b? What I have told. This can be written as, actually the rationalizing factor of this one is nothing but a power 2 by 3 minus a power 1 by 3 b power 1 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3. The rationalizing factor of this is equal to this one. Similarly, the rationalizing factor of this is this one. And if you multiply these two, what we get? If you multiply these two, what we get? This is in the form of a square minus ab plus b square multiplied by a plus b. If you product it, we get nothing but a cube plus b cube. The product of these two is nothing but a cube plus b cube. So I want to use this condition to solve that question. Here 1 by cube root of 25 can be written as 5 power 2 by 3. This is 5 power 1 by 3 into 1 power 1 by 3. 1 power anything is 1 plus 1 can be written as 1 power 2 by 3. See the denominator is in the form of a power 2 by 3 minus a power 1 by 3 b power 1 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3. If this is multiplied by this, I want to multiply it and divide it by 5 power 1 by 3 plus 1 power 1 by 3 by 5 power 1 by 3 plus 1 power 1 by 3. Then what we get? Okay, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square is equal to a cube plus b cube, a cube, okay, plus b cube, 1 power 1 by 3 whole cube. 1 power anything is 1. The numerator is 5 power 1 by 3 plus 1 power 1 by 3. So the value of this term is equal to 5 power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 cancel, we get 5 plus 1, the denominator is rationalized, we get 6. Okay, so I want to erase this one. Okay, so therefore the left hand side is 5 power 1 by 3 plus 1 power plus 1, okay, by 6. I want to write it as 1 by 6. But I want to compare this with, see carefully, the right hand side. This is nothing but a into 5 power 2 by 3 plus b into 5 power 1 by 3 plus c. Compare these two. 5 power 2 by 3 is a rational number. Here, equality of surds. 5 power 2 by 3 is a surd, 5 power 1 by 3 is a surd, and c is a rational number. There is no 5 power 2 by 3 on the left hand side. Therefore, from this we can say that a is equal to 0. The coefficient of 5 power 1 by 3 is b. Here coefficient of 5 power 1 by 3 is 6, 1 by 6. So b is equal to 1 by 6. Similarly, constant c is also equal to 1 by 6. Substitute these values in the given question. 2a, the given question is 2a plus 3b plus 5c is equal to how much? 2a, 2 into 0, 0. 3b, 3 into 1 by 6 plus 5c, c into 1 by 6. Okay, 6 is LCM. 3 plus 5, which is equal to 8 by 6 is the answer. 8 by 6 can be written as 4 by 3. So answer for this question is 4 by 3. So this question is totally based on rationalization of this term, this one. Okay, a power 2 by 3 minus a power 1 by 3, b power 1 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3. Rationalizing factor is 5 power 1 by 3 plus 1 power 1 by 3. Every formula, rationalization related formula given. Okay, check the concepts and formula in indices and surds, please. Next question. Here, see the question carefully. X is equal to cube root of a plus root of a square plus b cube, and this is cube root of a minus root of a square plus b cube. Then what is x cube plus 3bx is equal to, see carefully, the given x is given in terms of a comma b. Question also in terms of x and b, but that means here it does not depend on, options in terms of a. If question in terms of b, options in terms of a, that means it does not depend on b. The question does not depend on b. So that's why I want to put b is equal to 0 directly, because if it is in terms of b, okay, options are only in terms of a, it is not in terms of b. That's why I put b is equal to 0. Then what is x? If b is equal to 0, if this is 0, root of a square is a, cube root of a plus root of a square plus 0. This is a plus a, 2a. So cube root of 2a is x. Plus cube root of a minus root of a square plus 0. This is a minus a 0. This total is 0. So this is x value. Then what is x cube? If we take x cube, cube roots gets cancelled, we get to 2a. So if b is 0, what is the question? X cube plus 3bx, where b is equal to 0 is nothing but x cube, which is equal to 2a. So answer for this question is 2a. Very simple and logical. Just put b is equal to 0. Otherwise it's a lengthy procedure. Consider this total as a, this as b. X cube is nothing but a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b formula is applied. This can be x cube is equal to, consider this total as a, okay, or let it be p cube plus q cube plus 3pq into p plus q formula. If you apply this formula, then we get this value as 2a. Okay, p cube, cube root gets cancelled, q cube, cube root gets cancelled, then these two also gets cancelled from the first term. 3pq, then apply the formula, product of these two is equal to a square minus a square plus b square. Okay, then a square cancel, we get b cube, again cube root of b cube we get here, we get b, p plus q is nothing but again x, so this value is b, and p plus q value is nothing but x, 3bx. Okay, and if you sum p cube plus q cube, we get the value as 2a. Okay, x cube. I think this is minus 2b cube, minus b cube we get. Okay, this is minus b, I think. P cube can be written as minus b. Okay, if you transfer this, x cube plus 3bx is equal to 2a. This is the value. Just I have given a hint in this case. Try to solve like this. Otherwise put b is equal to 0, because question option in terms of a only. It depends on only a. So put b is equal to 0 and get the answer easily. Next question. I have given a direct one. If x is equal to root of a, 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 and so on up to infinity, then x is nothing but a. So answer for this question is 6 only. Directly the answer is 6. Up to infinity is given, the value is nothing but a. The method I have given, x square is equal to a into the remaining is again x, 1x cancel, so x is equal to a. So answer is a for this question. Number of infinite roots model questions I have given. Okay, next question. See this question. Here x is equal to 7 plus 7 power 1 by 3 minus 7 power 2 by 3. Then what is the value of this one? Here no shortcut possible to get the answer. I want to write this as x minus 7 is equal to 7 power 1 by 3 minus 7 power 2 by 3. Just transfer 7 left to the left side. Then taking cube on both sides. X minus 7 whole cube is equal to 7 power 1 by 3 minus 7 power 2 by 3 whole cube. I want to use two formulae. One is a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square minus b cube as one formula to the left hand side. And for the right hand side, this is also same a minus b whole cube formula. This can be written as a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. I want to use both the formulae for LHS and RHS. Okay, see carefully. The left hand side is a cube minus 3a square into b plus 3ab square, okay, minus b cube, minus b cube is equal to, the right side can be written as, okay, a cube minus b cube, okay, minus 3ab into a minus b, 7 power 1 by 3 minus 7 power 2 by 3. Both formulae I have applied. Left side the first formula, right side second formula. Then what it becomes? I want to erase this formula. This can be written as x cube minus 21x square. This is 49 into 3. We get 49 into 3. 53 is 150 minus 3, 147. So 147x 7 cube minus 343 is equal to, left hand side, 7 power 1 by 3 whole power 3 is 7 minus 7 3 3 cancel, 7 square nothing but 49 minus 3 into, here the bases are same, add the powers, 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 is nothing but 3 by 3 which is equal to 1, 7 power 1 into What is this value? 7 power 1 by 3 minus 7 power 2 by 3 is x minus 7. I want to put x minus 7 in the place of this. Then what it becomes? What it becomes? X cube minus 21x square plus 147x minus 343 is equal to minus 42. This is 21 into x minus 21x minus into minus plus 21 into 7, which is equal to 21. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 147. Minus into minus plus. I want to write here this 343 because here write this as x cube minus 21x square. This is 147x, and if this is transferred plus 21x plus, which is equal to 168x, we get 168x. Minus 288 is there, here minus the 343. I want to write it as minus 288 minus 55. Sum of these two is equal to 343 is equal to, the left hand side is 147 minus 42 is equal to 105. Therefore, x cube minus 21x square plus 168x minus 288 is equal to, this is transferred 55 plus 105, we get 160. So answer for this question is 160. Here rearranging the terms gives the answer. Here if you apply both formulae, then only we can get the answer easily. Okay, please check. A minus b whole cube, here also a minus b whole cube, this formula is this one and this formula is this one. In the place of this, apply x minus 7 and simplifying gives the answer. Okay, next question. In the previous example, root of 6 up to infinity is given, the answer is 6. Here root of 6 up to n terms given, the answer is, what is the formula? A power 2 power n minus 1 by 2 power n, where a is 6 power 2 power, how many terms written there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 power 5 minus 1 by 2 power 5. 2 power 5 is 32. 32 minus 1, 31. 6 power 31 by 32 is the answer. Okay. Up to n terms given, this is the formula. A power 2 power n minus 1 by 2 power n minus 1 by 2 power n. Cubes also have given a formula. Up to infinity given. Okay, right. Next, if x power 2a is equal to y power 2b is equal to z power 2c, which is not equal to 0, okay, here the question is wrong. This is only x square. This is only x square is equal to yz, then what is the value of this? If x square is equal to yz, then what is the value of this? Okay, not x power 2a, it is only x square is equal to yz. How to solve this question? X power 2a is equal to y power 2b is equal to z power 2c is equal to, I want to consider this as k. Previously we have solved this problem, this model. If we equate these two, x is equal to k power 1 by 2a. Similarly, y is equal to k power 1 by 2b. Z is equal to k power 1 by 2c. If we equate these two, we get this one. If you equate these two, we get the second one. If you equate these two, we get the third one. Because x power 2a is equal to k, taking whole power 1 by 2a. 2a cancel, we get x is equal to 1 by k power 1 by 2a. Okay. I want to substitute in the given condition. What is the condition given? X square is equal to yz. This is the condition. In the place of x, put k power 1 by 2a whole square is equal to k power 1 by 2b into k power 1 by 2c. Okay, so k power 2 by 2a is equal to k power 1 by 2b plus 1 by 2c. Then what we get? Bases are same, equate the powers. Here 2 by 2a nothing but 1 by a is equal to, if you take LCM as 2bc, okay, we get b plus c in the numerator. B plus c in the numerator. Just cross multiply, we get 2bc is equal to ab plus ac. 2bc is equal to ab plus ac. So 2bc, sorry, ab plus ac. The given question is, I want to write the question once again. The question is ab plus bc plus ca by bc is equal to how much? This is the question. Here ab plus ac, ab plus ac is this value plus this value is equal to 2bc. Okay, 2bc plus bc by bc. 3bc by bc is 3. So answer is just a constant 3. Okay. From this condition we get 2bc is equal to ab plus ac. So in the place of ab plus ac write 2bc. 2bc plus bc, 3bc. 3bc by bc is equal to 3. This type of questions given, but conditions are different place. Okay. Next question. Root of 72 plus root of 72 plus root of 72 up to infinity by this one. Here, if a question is given, root of 72 plus root of 72 plus root of 72 plus and so on up to infinity given, I want to use a simple shortcut. If this can be written as a product of two consecutive integers 8 into 9 and plus is there between, the bigger one is the answer. Okay, and what is the denominator? Here the denominator is root of 12 minus root of 12 minus root of 12 minus root of 12 minus and up to infinity given, and this can be written as a product of two consecutive integers 4 into 3, the difference is 1, and if minus is there between the terms, then smaller one is the answer. So answer for this question is 3. Here this is the division, 9 by 3, so answer is 3 for this question. Answer is 3. Simple shortcut. Actual formula is also given. If consider consecutively a plus a plus a plus a plus given, the answer is root of 1 plus 4a plus 1 by 2. This is the formula. If minus is there, the formula is root of 1 plus 4a minus 1 by 2 is the formula. If the shortcut is not applicable, then we have to go for the formula. Okay, next question. Same as the previous questions. I want to solve again. A power x is equal to b power y is equal to c power z. I want to consider this as k. Okay. Then equate these two. We get a is equal to k power 1 by x, b is equal to k power 1 by y, c is equal to k power 1 by z. Substitute in the condition b square is equal to ac. What is b square? K power 1 by y whole square is equal to k power 1 by x into k power 1 by z. So 2 by y is equal to 1 by x plus 1 by z, because here the bases are same, we can add the powers. So from this we can say that this is nothing but x plus z by xz is equal to 2 by y. So 2xz is equal to xy plus yz. Here a very important thing, I want to write this 2xz as xz plus xz. Okay, transfer this to the left side. So therefore I want to write this as 1xz minus xy, transfer to the left hand side. Already yz is there in the right hand side. This xz is transferred to the right side, minus xz. Okay, yz minus xz is same as xz minus xy. These two are same. This is the question. What is the question? Yz minus xz by zx minus xy. This is yz minus xz by xz, sz minus this value is the same as this value. So yz minus xz, they gets cancelled. Both are same. So answer is 1. Answer for this question is 1. See, the same condition given in previous question also, but a question is different. Okay, understood the condition? Next question. Arrange the following in descending order. This is also a question based on the maximum and minimum. The first term is 4 power 1 by 3, second term is 2 power 1 by 2, third term is 3 power 1 by 6, fourth term is 5 power 1 by 4. Okay? Here to get the maximum and minimum, I want to consider equal raised to the power. All are divisible by, all are divided by 12, so write it as whole power 12. So therefore, the first one is nothing but 4 power 4, 2 power 6, 3 power 2, 5 power 3. So what is this value? This is nothing but 125, 9, 64, 256. Here the biggest one is this one, this is the biggest one and this is the smallest one. Means this is the biggest one, 4 power 1 by 3, smallest one is 3 power 1 by 6. They want a descending order, big to small. Here big to small is 4 power 1 by 3. In 4 power, this option is right, even this is also right. And the last one is 3 power 1 by 6, 3 power 1 by 6. So this is the last one, here this is wrong. So answer is first option. Just to check first and last, we get the answer, not necessary to write the remaining. Okay, simple question. Next question. Three power a is equal to 27 power b. 3 power a is equal to 27 power b is equal to 81 power c. And a, b, c is given as 144. Then what is, the question is 12 into 1 by a plus 1 by 2b plus 1 by 5c. I want to write this as 3 power a is equal to 27 is 3 cube. So 3 power 3b is equal to, this is 3 power 4c. So from this we can say that a is equal to 3b is equal to 4c. So in the place of a put 4c, okay, or in the place of b put a by 3. So from this we get a, this is a by 3 and c is also equal to a by 4. Substitute these values here. A into b is a by 3 into a by 4 is equal to 144 is 12 square. A into a cube is equal to, this is 12 into 12 square, 12 cube. So from this we can say that a is 12. If a is 12, correspondingly what is b? A by 3, 12 by 3, 4, and this is a by 4, 12 by 4, which is equal to 3. So b is equal to 4, c is equal to 3. Substitute in this. 12 into 1 by 12 plus 1 by 2b 8, 1 by 5c, 5 3 is 15, 1 by 15. 12 into LCM is 120 for all these, 12 tens, 8 15s, 15 8s, 12 ones, 12 tens cancel, denominator is 10, numerator is 23 plus 10, 33. So answer is 33 by 10. Okay. Make the calculation simple. Okay. Just you have to know multiplications, units place, and finding tens place, digital sum. Okay, and based on options, just 20 to 30% of questions comes from options. Comes from options in the sense the logic comes from options. Okay, next question. This is a question related to powers. Cube root of 3 power x can be written as 3 power x by 3 is equal to 5 power 1 by 4. This is the first condition. From this we can say that 5 power y by 4 is equal to root 3, nothing but 3 power 1 by 2. Then what is 2xy? This is the question. What is a 2xy? Here 3 power x by 3 is 5 power 1 by 4. I want to write this as 5 power 1 by 4 whole power y is equal to 3 power 1 by 2. In the place of 5 power 1 by 4, I want to put 3 power x by 3. 3 power x by 3 whole power y is equal to 3 power 1 by 2. Okay, then what we get? 3 power xy by 3 is equal to 3 power 1 by 2. Here the bases are same. So therefore, xy by 3 is equal to 1 by 2. Cross multiply, 2xy is equal to 3. So answer is 3. Okay, simple question. Just write this term as 5 power 1 by 4 whole power 5, and in the place of that put 3 power x by 3. Next question. This question also solved previously. 2 power x is equal to 3 power y is equal to 72 power z. I want to consider this as k. Then what we get? Equate these two first. So 2 is equal to k power 1 by x. Equate these two. 3 is equal to k power 1 by y. Equate these two. 72 is equal to k power 1 by z. Then what is the relation between x, y, z? Here this 72 can be written as 8 into 9, nothing but 2 cube into 3 square. Here 72 is nothing but k power 1 by z is equal to 2. 2 is k power 1 by x. K power 1 by x whole cube into k power 1 by y whole square. So this can be written as k power 3 by x plus 2 by y is equal to k power 1 by z. Equate the powers, then what we get? 1 by z is equal to, take LCM as xy here, 3y plus 2x, and just multiplied by 4 on both sides, 4 into, see the question. The question is what is 4xy by 2x plus 3y? Is nothing but reverse of this. 4xy by 2y plus 3x is nothing but 4z. If you take reciprocal, the answer is 4z. This one. Okay. So this is about some questions related to indices and sets. Okay. Right. Thank you.